Yokoso Haugen Racing. Welcome to Haugen Racing. This is day 2 of Ebisu Spring Matsuri. I hope you guys watched day 1 because it was freaking wild. So I drove 350Z for the first time, drove and drifted an A86 for the first time. The transmission in the S14 broke. I went flying off course in 4th gear in the Z. I have no idea what we're in for today. It is super, super cold. I am freezing my butt off. And it might rain, which would actually be kind of sick because I think the Z would be pretty fun in rain. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna get into today, but I'm pumped. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. If you didn't watch day 1, definitely go check that out. All right, let's get into it. Okay, I just need to express my love for Nissan 350Zs now. I mean, I've always loved 350Zs as like street cars and stuff like that, but as like just a drift car, these things are sick. So yesterday was my first time ever drifting a 350Z, and I am in love. This thing's completely stock. It's a freaking good ass time. Everyone needs a 350Z. You just need an angle kit and lock diff and coilovers, and you're freaking ready to rip. All right, so we're gonna start our morning off at Nishi. That's actually where I'll be competing in 400 Japan round 2. So I don't know what layout they're gonna run right now. They have a short and a long. The long layout's more like, it includes the FD layout. The short layout's completely different, but it's really fun because it's like a hot lap layout. Oh, that car's sick. I like that, the Advan livery on that Z. Everybody needs a Z. Everybody needs a Skyline, everybody needs a Z. We all need A86s as well. I'm telling you what, so fun. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but Ebisu is also a zoo. when you're driving through, like from track to track, because there's like, I think 7 tracks. I think it's 7 here. You're driving like in between where there's like animals and people going to the zoo. It's a crazy experience. Like, it's so weird, but cool. I don't know. Like, there's like cages over here. Check us out. You guys probably can't see it very well, but yeah, there's like a bunch of cages over there. There's the cafeteria. And then there's zoo stuff over there. Oh, there we go, look. These are people at the zoo over there. It's so funny. God, she is at command right now. Oh, look at the safari. All right, we're back in the pits. Gonna try to tighten up the handbrake. If it doesn't work, then I'll just keep driving. It would be really nice if it just like locks, so you could get those like quick little lock on the rear wheels. The clutch is like not very aggressive, so clutch kicks aren't nearly as aggressive as they should be. So I feel like it's a little bit more important that the handbrake does work when you're trying to go a little bit faster with this thing. It is like slightly sketchy, but it's fun. It's a very fun challenge for me. Like no angle kit, low power, all that stuff. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Hey, if you guys are enjoying this, you should go buy some merch on HaugenRacing.com. Bam! And it goes to support this channel. That's where all the money goes back in, is to growing this channel, making better entertainment for all of you, and taking you on even crazier adventures than the one this weekend. So I hope you go buy some stuff and help your boy out. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. That also is very, very imperative. All right, we got the handbrake feeling better. I did it all by myself. No, he took the wheels and tires off, but basically all you do, oh gosh. Basically all you do is just take the wheels off, and then if it's a drum handbrake, that's important. It only works with that, but there's a tensioner that tightens the pads like against the rotor. Tighten it all the way up until like you can't spin it anymore, and then take like a towel or put the wheel like just on so you can try spinning it. You shouldn't be able to spin it, ideally. And then back off like 1 or 2 notches so it does freely spin, but then the handbrake will be like a not as high of a pull, and it should lock them up much better. Hoping that this works. They weren't tight like at all. All right, so we're gonna go for a ride in Garadora's friend's car. I'm so bad with names, it doesn't matter if it's Japanese or English. I'm really bad with names. He does D1 lights, I believe, and he's pretty damn good apparently. So he's gonna take me for a rip on Nishi. Check this thing out. Oh, let's go, I'm stoked. so fun. Good job. Arigato gozaimasu. Ripping that thing, I love it. Just full send. That's why I'm here. The drivers send it. It's so good. Like my man was flicking at it and so good, so aggressive. I love it.